In this video, I'll show you how to add music to your WhatsApp status quickly and easily. This is a great way to make your status more engaging and fun. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap on the Updates section at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Add Status to create a new status update. You can either take a new photo or select one from your gallery. Once your photo is selected, tap on the music icon at the top. This will open the music library. Browse through songs or use the search bar to find a specific track. Tap on the song you want, then select it. WhatsApp will automatically set the music duration. You can adjust which part of the song you want to use. After that, tap Done. Finally, tap the green arrow button to post your status. And that's it. Your WhatsApp status will now include music. If this guide helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.